Messi, as he tends to be, taking the first attempt. We remember him missing the weight of the world on the shoulders of the 5'7" Lionel Messi, who scores. Running commentary from Emiliano Martinez and
trash talking.
And another save, Martinez, 2 in a row. Messi versus Neymar in the Copa America final Saturday night.
The way that he's carrying is very unique and he's performing great every game.
Ahí está que va a darle video, viene, gol. ¡Gol! Sí, Argentina, nuestro.
But the run is over now. Argentina are champions of South America. Argentina crown around Lionel Messi. The world's greatest player finally has an international trophy. There can be no more arguments. No one would have possibly imagined Argentina as Copa America champions. No one. Lionel Messi during this tournament, top goal scorer, top assists for the best player on the planet, the best player of all time. Well, the debate should never come down to one game, but for many it was always the cloud hanging over Lionel Messi. Cristiano Ronaldo had the Euros. The likes of Pele, Maradona have a World Cup or numerous World Cups. For Lionel Messi, it was the one thing that eluded him, and tonight Lionel Messi is going to pick up that famous trophy.
Sacarme la espina de poder conseguir algo con la selección. Había estado muy cerquita muchísimos años y sabía que en algún momento se iba a torcer, se iba a dar.
La finalissima. Messi, and up goes the noise. Messi upended.